Guys, we just wake up and I can't smell my breath. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I'm gonna go get some water to go and brush my teeth. My daddy told me some I have curfew. I'm coming too late last night and all these type of things. So 2 o'clock in the morning gates. I don't even need this flash. Hold on. Jamaican style, country style. Brush your teeth. Have one drum. You see me? Yeah. So. This is what you never want to see happen. Never. Daddy, where's the water? To brush my teeth? Why are you laughing? Everything I told you. I told you I'm videoing everything. You guys, this is Roy. Roy, say hi to my friends. Why are you laughing? Say hi to my friends.
Hi, friend. Hi.
Why are you awake so early?
Wake up early.
Daddy, I'm talking to Roy, okay?
You know how long me out of?
Yes, I know you've been out here a long time. You woke me up, kind of, you know? I was trying to relax in my bed.
Last night, show me ID them last year, man, yesterday. Last night, me never in a good mood. So, me not in need. Me pick up this man and... You have no idea where they last. I don't want here. I never go look for driver. No, I never go look for driver, because most time them up there, man, really take them up there. Yeah, but I don't know enough money when I did for them about 900. I just didn't have a money and enjoy money with them, because I mean, I'm like before, you know. I don't want about 900. You know what before I'm last? I want it last year, man. Why it happened to me then, man? All of me ID them, man. I call, my phone number, me have in I bill for, you know. What is that eyeglass? Small people, they don't get people, you know, when the people come out of the yard. Then I put me in there. Friday night, I clean them, yam. Hey. I said them from yam clean. Yam at the yard.
Yeah, I'll put my name on every single one of them. And they'll know not to eat it.
How much you're going to say something? You know, you serve the people.
I'm trying to stop cook food gear.
You never hear to say it?
No?
The man no come back. The man no come back. That's why I tell you want to put the roast man, just hey man, word it. This is run in the yard. What that's all? Run in the yard. Hey man, I want to put you back on the roast there, man. Hey, some breadfruit, the family, I mean, say, jokes, you know, one breadfruit, you know, man. Gandhi, man, cheese, you know, I don't know if you're right, man, drop. Beef, you know, you don't say. You don't get bum, you don't get it. Just say, you know, not what you pass on that, man, make it cool. And give me Williams one, I'm saying, and the other one, you say, I'm going to look to, I You know what breakfast girl?
But biff don't sound like big recruit.
Oh, you want to hear something like boof, boof, boof.
I sit down on Miss Francie. I see Miss Francie. You're not
the boof, boof, them don't beef.
Yes. Roy, you stop going to church?
This a man that will have asthma. But in Gamba, but you don't want to live long. Sometimes man want you put some big thing and just give them some lick.
So since you found that one, isn't there more? So why should I even come there? If there's more. Okay guys, they found a snake. I'm so nervous. Because my heart will take me. Don't you know, my family, we don't really have good hearts. That doesn't even look like a snake. That looks like some next type of creature. Oh my God! Roy, don't make me and you have anything. You understand? That's so what that long piece at the bottom is what, his tail? That is so gross.
If I'm on battle, you see a battle, I am the battle.
Nope. Daddy, want me to leave this for you?
Yeah, right there, so.
So you can record yourself.
Yeah.
When I'm gone. Brown already on our face. Hi, Amir!
Which one of them you go? Which one of them you go?
Why isn't Amir in school? Our school done.
Oh, I might say them to do a school today, but it's some concert or something.
Oh. You want some Vaseline?
No? Or your neck back look? See the friends?
It went down?
Oh, look, it's a turbo like last night.
I don't know, I can't see it. I didn't even know what it looked like before.
The bump still, you can see the bump still, but you know.
This side hurts a lot more than this side though.
This one stay bad, this side.
Yeah, like it's really sore. I can't even like really bend down my head or like bend it back too much because
that's something I tell us like good.
I put some more on it this morning too, so. Breakfast. Yeah, no, when she called me, she's like, I'm here. And I was like, okay. But she was like, are you still gonna come to Kingston tomorrow? Because it's Kingston she has to go to do whatever, yeah.
So I must force you over there.
Yeah, so she was saying, are you still coming to Kingston tomorrow? I'm like, I don't really know what your plan is, but just let me know.
If you're falling too soon, let me know. You just text me, you're on your way up. Then my panties come up at the door. Man, I like cry for this. Them even lie for it. Try get inside of me, but them cannot handle it. Put your hands on my hips, baby, hold me like this. Kiss me on the way down like the sun. Me a wine in a motion. I you like, baby, I want you. If I rock and addict, then you know you're the shit, boy. Just hold me and don't let me run. I know this ain't what you used to. Pineapple for the pum pum. I need some company. Oh, baby. I wanna dance.
And tomorrow's already, it's like tomorrow. I don't know, I feel like so much should have been going on today because Friday's like tomorrow. And then Saturday's like tomorrow. Yeah,
no time for them. No time for them. Oh God, protect them. Me did not correct them. I know nothing to eject them. Oh God, I know not trick them. G, me, I watch them, I watch me. I watch them, I chat me. None of them can stop me. Oh God, they wish them could have flapped me. Me unruly, I'm not change. Me not change. Me no give a fuck who no like paparazzi. Tell them to no bother me, cause them can't stop me from go Miami. Me no IG, but the girl them follow me. Me and me own boss and a boy can't fire me. Meanwhile, them a pray for me poor. Me upgrade the 3 to the 4. 30,000 feet way up in the sky, me a soar. First class, me a go for my goal. And still I watch them, I watch me. I watch them, I chat me. None of them can stop me. Oh God, they wish them could have flapped me. Me unruly, I'm not change. Me not change. Me no give a fuck.
Where are you dealing with?
Mark, I see this morning, last night I came home.
Give me Mark.
My mom tell me.
Okay.
Let me say, well, you could have reached the
Me had it, me coming out to reach one of someone so from that.
Yeah. Alright, do you think I'm forward? Yeah.
Julia Brown.
I have a sister?
Eh?
I have a sister?
Yeah. Let's go and see right over there. Breaking out of his Zoe.
Who?
Barry.
What? My new grandfather.
See right.
Huh? Them like to see everything when we do in Jamaica.
Okay.
So as long as it's in Jamaica, it's alright. Because some hot from permanent. I can't. Can't manage. Hi, I'm good. Yeah. Atina. Oh God. soon come here. Roy, where is this? Yeah. Cajun? You guys over here don't have a name. Yeah?
Get right. Right name around here, sir. Mahogany.
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 Mahogany. Say it again. Mahogany.
Mahogany.
And that's how we reach her now with their mahogany. With there in a yellow glass with their mahogany. So funny. Why? Say hi to my friends. This is my friend Amir, you guys. Say hi now. He's so ugly. He's supposed to be in school, but he's not in school because he's a bad boy. And he said he's tired. Even though that's not an excuse. But when you say it's Bandana Day at school?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Concert day.
So you're not performing? You don't have no talent, eh?
No.
You're not talented. Not talented. And this is my next friend. Yes. I'm in front of, what is this, Razor Shop? It's where I come buy my movies and the internet and all of that stuff. Stuff like that. We just stopped here where I went to the store, so yeah. This is Anchovy Square, just the top part. There's way more to it, but I'm not go down. Yeah, see the sign, this Razor Sharp Internet Cafe and Electronics. And then you have more up there.
Go see one good crash that you never seen of your life.
You never seen nothing crash yet.
And this car is crashed.
You guys, look who came to see me. Look who's here. Look who came to see me. What? Me say it mash up to the KD and people, if you could only see my phone and the condition where it's in. If you could only look and see where you look like. No. I come home, come ready for watch one video and then it just start doing one whole heap of thing. I'm like, did my video really record like this? I thought there was a duppy in my video. Then I'd stop the video and the phone I come. Huh?
No crack them there.
Yeah, but that was from a long time.
Oh.
I'm like, what the hell? So Daddy was like, maybe it was because of the heat and like the sun and all that stuff, which it could be true because with the, but then again, I have a glass over it, so I don't know. But anyways, my sister came to see me. So baby, sorry, oh God, I don't want sister me get from my father, you know? I don't want sister me get from my father. Oh God. So yeah, we're just here planning setup nights. Y'all come right Friday?
Where?
Here. Me already drunk off my rum punch already, and I only Wednesday.
Our play music.
I don't know. They're trying to get a box, and then some guy said he would play or something like that. I don't know what they're gonna do. Why?
Who go get you?
Mark.
Oh, okay.
You thought it was Daddy? Could everyone pull out their books, please, to song number 91? That would be Daddy set off. Jehovah, we love. I don't know. I only know that when we go there, I see the words. You understand? There's a few that I like actually, but not no lie. But I can't remember the number of the song. Them just come up every now and then. You know? No, he's on the computer. Roy is here. Roy is here. Can you guys see Roy? Yeah, Roy is here. So my next friend come back and look for me. See me here, Ray. Daddy out there make up whole heap of nice. Them just want make one bugger. You understand? Them this.
So you don't know how long it
Right? Daddy. Daddy. I'm hungry. Look what time did I buy that? This man's trying to style me in front of a whole bunch of guys outside right now. Like, don't disrespect me. Okay? Don't disrespect me, because if you go before me, I have to make the plans. Okay? I have to. What? I'm like 10 years shy of 30. Like what? Nobody under 30 not dead again neither. He's so bright. But I'm trying to lose weight. I'm just trying to get him to shut up, because there's no need for him to talk no more, isn't me? So yeah.
We're gonna see till Friday night. Maybe.
Him about maybe. I cut my foot to the pan daddy van.
When? Today?
Yeah.
Down there?
Huh?
On the land?
On the van.
Okay.
Yo, we found a snake today. In the back.
Goodness.
Roy found it.
Where there?
We had it in a bottle, but I don't know what. I think Daddy threw it away.
Let me think about this.
You know, me did find another one.
Back there today?
Yeah, but me never put it in the basket.
Oh my god. And I went out over there barefoot and everything. Right when I have no sense. Anyways, people, I just wanted to let you guys know that my sister is here.
So that one over there. That one over there.
And there's more snakes in our backyard. Just roaming around there in the bush where the cane is that I need to eat. So you know what that means. Me nah go back over there. You understand? No more walks over there. Reach up my auntie house. And I think I'm on the bed that my grandfather died on. Stuff. This is his wheelchair that we never got the chance to use. So sad. Like, I came here and I was like, I wonder how my grandfather is doing. Like, it just really hasn't set in or anything like that. So yeah. But we're going to Kingston in the morning. My cousin has to go deal with some passport shit and whatever. So I gotta turn in really early because we're leaving out here really early. Because from Montego to Kingston, that's like 3 hours. So yeah, I go to Constant Springs tomorrow. This bag look very tea-fish, I keep now. Shall come from America, people. So this bag look tea-fish too. Anyways, me go out the door just now, so I'll follow up in a bit. You guys, this is my cousin Aikima.
Hi, people.
I haven't seen her in 3,000 years. Yo, if I lick you down today, see?
Hi, people.
Your body.
What? Zoe, your bright lights.
Yup.
Wait, look. Record.
Yup. Don't mind that.
Me, the underneath the first pillar over to that side. What is? Zoe, record.
Yeah. We have to be up so early tomorrow. So early tomorrow that I think we're gonna...
certain people.
Huh?
Cause of certain people.
Not certain, specifically. Uno momento per favor. I mean, uno momento, one person.
Niggas me for my life, I'm live. Sure. Alright. Hold me up so much enemy. And me still not see people. Every morning me wake up, me jump down me vehicle. From the kids gone to school, the family they are hurt too. There is nothing in the world that can do for hurt you. So fuck them. I just money and girls and fun. Money and girls and fun. Live your life for your life, though. Cause we can do whatever.
Anyways,
ZO-ESHAAA.